In this video, I will show you the script, the solution, which resizes multiple images. And this is the complete code. Now this part here, the two functions, I didn't change anything. I just reused the functions from the previous script which converted one single image. In addition, what I did is I imported OS, the library, and then I generated a list of image file names from the images directory. So as you can see here, I have this images directory and also a resized image directory, which is empty for now. I haven't executed the script yet. So images contains the original images to be resized. And then I iterated through each of those image file names and resized. So I gave the path, the full path of the image, so images slash the image name. Because as you know, the script is in this directory, so the script has to use the folder name first, a slash, and then the name of the file for each image. So we resized each image by 10, so 10%, and saved them in this path. So resize is the name of the folder, resized slash the name of the new image, which is resized dash and the name of the old original image .jpg. So image also has the JPEG extension. And that's it. If I run this code, I get this printed out, so the new dimensions from each image, you see different dimensions since the original images were different, and these are the resized images. So it's working good. Thank you for following, and let's keep going.